This is a new 2015 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a navigation system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Coons Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1051 East Broad Street, Falls Church, Virginia.